Guys, welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and in this video we are going to be talking about operations research part 2. Now this operations research part 2 is a sequel of the operations research part 1 video which I made in the further mathematics for SS1. You can check that in the further mathematics for SS1 course of this same channel. So let's move on to now this operations research part 2. We are going to be focusing more on making decisions based on the price of commodities. So yes, we are going to be talking about some different concepts. So based on the fact that in business there are often major decisions that we often have to take. So like we have to make the price to be low and make the profit to be at least at par with the cost of production. So that means we need what is known as economic order quantity. So basically the economic order quantity is a quantity that sets the holding cost and the ordering cost at equilibrium. So in this case, the for our calculations, our aim is to make sure that there's an equilibrium of economic prices. So then we have let D equals annual demand quantity, and Q equals ordering quantity, and Q hash equals optimal order quantity. And also have P equals purchase per cost. So we have C equals fixed cost. So your H will become your annual holding per cost. Your V equals total cost fraction, and then your total cost equals the purchase cost plus ordering cost plus holding cost. Purchase cost equals purchase cost per unit times annual demand, and so on and so forth. So let me give you a practical question that addresses this question. So we have we have example 1. So in this example 1, we are told that a company, a particular factory here. So a factory demands 1,000 units of stock annually. So it demands 1,000 units of stock annually. So that is basically and the cost per unit order is 320 naira, and the cost per unit of stock is 100 naira. If its holding cost is 10%, is 10% of the cost of the stock available, then calculate the economic order quantity, amount of orders per annum, total variable cost per annum, and total cost per annum. So in this question, we are going to be talking about it shortly. We'll be solving it. So first of all, we have the Q hash equals the square root of 2CD over H. So Q equals square root of 2CD over H. So in this case, this particular this particular thing is the economic order quantity. That is the quantity at which there's an order and equilibrium. So that means for there to be an order and equilibrium, that means you have to multiply 2 by the basically by 2 by the fixed cost per order times, you multiply the cost per order by the demand, which is by the annual demand. Cost per order multiplied by the annual demand divided by the annual holding cost. That is annual holding cost per unit. So in this case, in this question, we are told that our that's equals to 2 times, we have the cost per demand. So in this case, in this question, if you look at the question carefully, our cost per unit order is 20. So that's cost per unit. That's C. That's 320. Is 320. Then our annual demand, basically our D here is 1,000 units. That's 1,000. So finally, we have our holding cost per unit. So basically, what this means is that our annual holding cost per unit is the amount of holding per unit of commodity. So in this case, we have that the holding cost is 10% of the stock value. So in this case, the stock value is 100. So that means we'll be getting 10% of 100, which is 0, which is 10 at the end of the day. So when we do the calculations, we have our economic order quantity equals root 2 times 360 times. So let's cancel that. That's 2 times, that's 64,000. So that is the economic order quantity with the square root of 64,000, which is at the end of the day, the square root of 64,000 is is this 64,000? Yes. The square root of that is 640,000 actually. The square root of 640,000 is 800 units. So the unit at which there's economic order or equilibrium is 800. So this is an example. This is basically a very primary important concept in operations research, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.